Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. The price line of Stellar is still moving at the support of the wedge, of a very big wedge on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to break down or we are going to have a bullish reversal move from here. But before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is still at the support, at the very end of the support of this very big wedge. And we have already seen that the price line never broke down this support after December 2020. You can see that the price line tested this support here, and we have several tests of the support by the price line, and the price line, it did not break down this support so far. And it is almost a year now the price line is moving above this support, and at the same time, while moving above this support, the price line has been testing this resistance of the support as well. Previously, we had a very nice rally here, and the price line broke down this previous resistance we had here. That was approximately at 38 cents, and the price line broke down this resistance and formed this wedge, the resistance of the wedge here, and the support was already existing below the price line. And now we have a perfect formation of a rising wedge pattern that is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community. But I'm expecting that we are having several supports below the price line. Unless these supports are not broken down, the price line can have a very powerful reversal. We can see that we had a very long spike to the downside that was up to 22.36 cents. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that we have additional support of the weekly 100 simple moving average. If the price line moves below the support of this wedge, then this 100 simple moving average can work as a very strong support, and it happened. And the 100 simple moving average worked as a very strong support, and the price line is reversed back after hitting this 100 simple moving average, and it is bounced by this support of 100 SMA. Now, if I place this trend line here at the spike, at the very end of the spike of this candlestick, then we can see that we also have a very nice support at 22.36 cents as well. You can say that previously it has been working as a very nice support. Like here, it worked as a very nice resistance in November 2020, and in the month of January 2021, it worked as a nice support, and even in month of June, and right now, it is now working as a very strong support, and the price line is getting reversed to the upside again and again. Whenever the price line is hitting this support, it is having nice bounces. Now, let's take a look at the oscillator. Then RSI is following the price line. Like we had three major lows by the price line, and the oscillator also formed 1, 2, and 3 major lows. But if we take a look at the movement of the oscillator, then right now it is going opposite in the opposite direction of the price line. For example, the price line formed this next low higher than previous low, and RSI also formed another higher than previous low. But if I place this trend line here at this low and on the next low, then you can see that RSI is forming lower than previous low, but the price line is still forming higher than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence appeared on this weekly time frame. Therefore, I'm still expecting that we can have a powerful bullish reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.